Writing the electronic configuration of any atom or element is very simple. The first thing you need to do is to arrange your atomic orbitals from lowest energy to highest energy. You start with the 1s, which is your lowest energy, and this dashed line is where you will place your electrons. 2s, then you have the 2px, 2py, 2pz, the 3s orbital, the 3px, 3py, 3pz, and then the 4s. At the undergraduate level, you don't go above the 4s. Don't remember where these orbitals come from. Quick review in Gen Chem should be able to help you with that. Now let's look at how we write the electronic configuration now that we have these written down. Let's say you wanted to get the electronic configuration of carbon, for example. So carbon, first thing you need is the atomic number. The atomic number for carbon is 6. The atomic number is equal to the number of electrons that you have to place on these dashed lines, right? So we have 6 electrons. So let's place the 6 electrons on these dashed lines. 1, 2, your electrons are written as arrows 1 up, 1 down to show opposite spins. 3, 4, 5, 6. So to write the electronic configuration, find your 1s orbital. Count the number of electrons that are on the dashed line 1, 2. So you write 1s subscript 2. That 2 tells me how many electrons is in that on that dashed line. Find the next orbital in energy. So 2s, 2s2. Then for 2p, you do not we don't write 2px, 2py. You just write 2p and then count the total number of electrons in the p orbital, which is 1, 2. So this is 2p2. And just like that, that's the electronic configuration of carbon. Let's try another example. What if you have to write the electronic configuration of sodium? Atomic number is 11, which means I have 11 electrons to distribute. I'm going to keep the 6 from carbon. So you have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the electronic configuration for sodium would be 1s2, 2s2. Your 2p orbital has a total of 6 electrons, right? It's 2, 4, 6. So you write 2p6. Then you move to 3s, it only has 1. 3s1. And just like that, this is the electronic configuration of sodium. Pretty simple. And once you write this platform with the atomic orbitals, you can write the electronic configuration of any element.